to our channel. Have you ever wondered how birds build their nests? Some use straw, some use mud, but did you know that there's a bird that sews its nest? Today, we'll talk about one such bird, the common tailor bird, which in Hindi is called the tailor bird. It's a small but very intelligent bird. Its size ranges from just 10 to 14 centimeters and its weight is very low, about 6 to 10 grams. Its most distinctive feature is its nest building method. It uses its sharp beak like a needle and sews leaves together. It punches holes in the leaves and joins them together with plant fibers or spider webs. Once the nest is complete, it fills the inside with soft materials like cotton, grass, and fibers so that its chicks can live comfortably. It's a very delicate and secure home. The common tailor bird is a very agile bird, often hiding in bushes and gardens. Its upper parts are bright green, and it has a brownish-red cap on its head. It is often seen alone. This bird is found in many parts of India and Southeast Asia. It prefers areas with dense bushes and vegetation. Its food consists of insects, such as beetles and other insects. It sometimes drinks the nectar of small fruits and flowers. Its call is very loud, making it easily recognizable. Its call sounds like tui tui or whych whych. So friends, isn't this bird amazing? A small bird, but what a magnificent architect. The next time you visit a garden, be sure to look for this tiny tailor bird. Let us know what you found in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, good luck.